got to try to shrink wrap that right next to those things. So this is what I came home to. Oh, they know we're probably helping it, darling. It's okay, we'll get you out. So here we are at Marcel's work. About to shrink wrap all our earthly possessions that aren't in the truck to ship down to Kaikoura. We're going to get the shrink wrap around that side easily. Oh dear. Oh well. Now we've got to try to shrink wrap that right next to those things. What are we thinking? 18, 19 ton?
17.
17 ton?
Not bad. And that's with all of us fat asses in it.
Speak for yourself.
Cool. We have a tier weight of being able to go up to 20. So we
were thinking it was going to be about 17 or 18 tonne, so 15 point something's not too shabby.
Last 7 weeks.
So our brother-in-law Kev is up from the South Island, from Kaikoura, so he's going to be the first South Island family member to see Beast. Going to go hang out with him for a bit this afternoon.
Oh mate, it's a bit of a climb. Hey! Hey Diesel, how you doing? Hey! Hey boy! Aww. It's got heaps of grunt. When we're on the open road, she comes to the hill and it slows down, but we just weighed it now, we're 15 tonne, so it's
yeah.
It's still a fairly heavy rig.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's why I say it's. She's got some grunt because you know it's a lot of weight to pull, eh?
Yeah.
And I feel privileged
to be the first, first South Islander to check it out.
So this is what I came home to, and we're going to leave it like that to see if we can see water coming in next time it rains. Marcel and Dad hopefully got the leak, but we'll find out.
So we're just getting some voltage dropped down to our fridges. So we're here at Fridge Tech in Albany this morning, and hopefully the guys here will help fix the issue between here and here. We've now got the fridges running at the right voltage. We were getting a bit of a drop, about 2 volts between here and here. So there's a bit of a drop in power, so they've gone and fixed it up, put a couple of modules on here, and now we're back up to where we should be. They have died, which isn't a major. If we were 90% hooked onto mains, then yeah, we would get them replaced. And what they do is just when you're plugged into mains, they just give the batteries a holiday kind of thing. So it parks the batteries up pretty much, and it just goes through those there. But because 90% of our lifestyle is going to be on the road and solar and generator, they're not needed, so we won't replace those yet. We might look at changing it or replace them later on. They're about, I don't know, about $300 each, so that's $900 right there. So I just need a break from spending lots of money. I'm a bit over it right now. So yeah, anyhow, the experts here say that we don't need them for our application, and 90% of applications for this kind of setup, he said that they don't even have them in there. So that's only if we are 90% of the time on mains. So we don't need them at the moment, and we have bypassed them and now running through these modules here. So we are good to go. Hope that's clear as mud, because that's what it sounded like to me. But oh well, we're learning truck life.
What's out there, kids?
Baby plovers.
Yeah, the mum and dad plover who hang out in the paddocks just here. They've got dear babies. There's 2 of them.
I think that's why before they're lying on, and the girl's lying on the concrete trying to lay her eggs there, maybe?
No, I think they just come up here to eat, but they have laid their eggs there in the past. Remember when we used to ride our bikes here and they'd chase us? So we've had a bit of rain and it seems to be staying dry up there, which is awesome. If it had still been leaking, we were going to have to probably cancel our Northland leg of the trip and just stay here to get some more repairs done. But it looks like the ceiling's not leaking anymore, which is good news, eh?
Yeah.
Hello to you too. It is good news. Diesel, are you not coming in? No? So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me put the bed up. I know, babe. I have to go like that. Oh! Try not to just wreck things, eh? I have to remember to always drop it onto the bars because often I forget to do that. So with our new solar panels, we are charging just really brilliantly this morning. Doesn't take long to get up to 100% anymore. And then we just, yeah, trickle charge. Here, I'll pass you this one over the back.
The first one I'm guessing.
You can leave that open if you like.
Yeah. Where should I put it, then?
I'll just fold it and put it through the cube. That was a weird laugh.
Where
Can you push it that way?
Push
Thanks.
it. Where's the cushion?
There she goes. Ooh.
I've got.
Ready? There you go, that should be high enough.
Oh, I was losing it.
Oh no. Done?
Yes.
Good, thank you.
Maybe.
What
happened? The baby fell down the drain.
Yeah, the baby plover fell in the drain.
We
It's
can
too
save her.
heavy, so I'm trying to find something.
We might be able to lift it together.
It's alright, baby. Oh. So we're going to lift it up and pull this way, okay? Oh, they know we're probably helping it, darling. It's okay, we'll get you out. So I need one of you to hold this over the drain so it doesn't try to get in there, okay? Hold that. It's alright, darling, I get you. You got him, just both hands, both hands. Yeah, you got him. I don't know. Good job, JJ. Get him up onto the grass. Oh, darling.
It's okay.
He's looking a bit weak. He's not hurt, is he? Come here.
How will we put this back?
Very carefully. Oh, I think it might be going to die. Come on, little baby. He's still alive. Go get your baby. Go on, shoo.
No, Mom, it's going around the drain.
But you can hear it cooling, eh? Oh yay, it's hearing, it knows where they are. Baby's gonna be okay, kids?
No, the parent might not because of the smell of people.
The kids are at a birthday party. They got invited last minute to a birthday party over at the church. Kids that we know. Got some goodie bags. So yeah, it's quite a cool venue here for birthday parties and stuff. Marcel had his 40th here. I've got a cool enclosed area around the back, so the people who are set up today have put bouncy castles and the kids are just going nuts. It's quite nice. I just had some time in the truck on my own, which I don't get very often. Oh, can I see yours? Very pretty. Happy birthday.
And look at Lila, she's been sitting to me. Wait, can I have one?
Cool, the toolbox is fixed to the trailer. Marcel's got a friend coming round to help him drop this 200ml. Tell people what we're using Chuffy for.
To burn our poo paper.
So that our compost toilet lasts longer. Right, winding up our day, aren't we, JJ? You're doing the water?
Yep, really
Good.
boring.
Good job. Still going?
Yep.
Yeah. So we got 12 showers out of this last tank. That's all our dishwater and drinking water, so that's not too shabby really for a motorhome. Pretty awesome.